What is that door?
Come learn with us.
Should we open the secret door together?
Welcome to Tajo Fun Time!
Wow!
Welcome to the magical learning classroom, Tajo. The letter is moving. A is for apple.
Apple!
B is for ball.
Ball!
Ball. C is for cat.
Kitty!
D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur! E is for elephant.
Elephant!
F is for fish. A is for apple.
Apple!
B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dinosaur. E is for elephant. F is for fish. You learned so many magical letters today, Tajo.
What magic letter comes next?
Subscribe for more fun learning adventures with Tajo. And ring the bell.